Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'd like to show how easy it is to create a mosaic using small Zentangle patterns. Such a mosaic can become simply a wonderful decoration of your home. To do this, you will need a few ordinary things, such as a frame. You can take any frame size. I use a 10 inches by 10 inches rectangular frame. Cardboard box. We will use it as a base for our mosaic. Both glue and markers. First of all, you need to measure the size of your base. To do this, simply take a frame or its inside part of the frame and draw outlines on a cardboard box. Then shape it with scissors. Once this is done, try the frame on to make sure it fits the frame perfectly. The next step is to choose the Zentangle patterns you want to use for this particular mosaic. You can play around with different patterns before finding the perfect pair. This is a very fun and creative part of this exercise. Keep in mind that the shape may go a little beyond the base. This is quite normal, as we can shape it with scissors at any point. Some of my Zentangle patterns don't have a black marker border. You can add them before gluing on. During this creative process, you can change your final mosaic combination several times, which makes the process even more interesting. Once you find the perfect mosaic combination, you can start gluing the mosaic to the base. The best way to glue is to apply the glue directly to the cardboard box base. Be careful with the glue and do not touch the heated nozzle or melted glue with your fingers or hands, as they are very hot and can cause burns. Best way to check the instruction before use. It is possible that you will want to add several elements to the patterns. Don't hesitate. Just listen to your inner artist and it will all work out. After you have glued all the parts of mosaic, you can put the frame on the base. Voila! A simple mosaic is ready. Thank you for watching and creating with me. See you in my next video. Take care and be kind to yourself.